Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here.
Beautiful. So check out this challenge at the Combat Box multiplayer server. Capture and hold is a team event. And now for something completely different. Players must fly through a marked ring near an objective to convert that objective to their side. Once converted, that side will slowly generate points for their team. The more objectives a side holds, the faster that side will generate points. Once a team reaches 100 points, that team wins. So all players can see their score on the HUD and on the map. There are 5 objectives, A, B, C, D, and E, and the Germans start down here and the Allies start up here. This is more of a race of speed, so you want to pick your fastest airplane. You can see the icon on the map and the scores up on the top left and right. So there's our first objective down there. If we can fly successfully through the hangar, then we will capture that objective. Axis have captured C. And there you have it. That's the first one. So you say, well, that's not terribly interesting. Yes, but try and imagine if you've got a team of people trying to fly through the hangar and somebody's trying to shoot you. Aha. Okay, next one is over here. I'm going to try this one. And that will be capturing point B. A lot easier this time. Don't forget to get it nicely trimmed up so you don't have to make any jerky movements as you are close to the ground. And Axis have captured B. So we're going to go to A next. Heading of about 330. Looks like another hangar. Beautiful. All right, check the map out. We've captured A. You see the scores on the right. Axis has 6, Allied has 0. That's pretty simple. Now you have to defend it. So get your teams together on Combat Box Discord. Arrange your time and get out there and have some fun. Thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for your support. Cheers.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you, guys.